All right, guys, welcome back to cryptojiri. Today is a very short video, as well as just this is not a promotional video. I just want to show you guys what I use on an everyday basis on how I spend my crypto, as well as mainly my Bitcoin on everyday stuff like Starbucks, Amazon purchases, and all other stuff. So this is BlockCard. Of course, right? The name says it itself. Basically, what this does, it gives you 6.38% in crypto back rewards on all purchases. Rewarding experience. Literally, the more you spend, the more you get back, which is very true. But I use this to buy anything I want. The cool thing about this card, it translates your Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other currency into US dollar or into euros or into pound or any other currency. But as of right now, it is only supported in the United States, but it's coming soon to in Europe, which is awesome because I can use it while I'm traveling in Europe. But basically, the way it works is the virtual debit card is the only platform that allows you to actually stay in crypto, sign up in minutes, right? You can use cash, Tether, account balance, right? You can use Apple Pay with it, Google Pay with it. It has their own not app, but you could use their website on your phone. And yeah, but basically this is the currency that it supports. So you guys can see Ripple, Tether, US dollar coin, Stellar, Lumen, Ethereum, Day, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and hopefully they're gonna come out with more of it. But basically, like I said before, this is not a promotional video. I'm just letting you guys know what I use for my crypto spending. Cool thing about this as well is that the way it's going to do is that it is basically like an actual bank account. So the more money you have in there, right, such as crypto, you won't get charged monthly. But let's say if you have under, I think it's about $200 or $500 in Bitcoin or any other crypto, then they charge you, I think like $5 a month, which is not that bad, considering on what you do, and there's no like fees of transferring, because that's basically, they cover that for you. As you can see, you could buy your own crypto as well from there. And they're going to be supporting more, of course, later on. Like I said, there's no fees for buying anything, which is awesome. I did use a couple other services. I forgot that one card. I think it was like the block. I don't even remember. I think it was called the Bitcoin card or something like that. And it was very bad, but it was really cool at the time. But basically their support was very bad, as well as their fees were really bad. But this is what I use now. They are a startup, so what they're doing now, I don't know if it's still in play, but I know that you could buy their actual stocks. You could invest into them, but of course that's up to you. I'm not really into stocks, but the more you put your money in, the more you get out of it, of course, because it is a startup so far, but I think it's gonna blow up very big sooner or later. But yeah, guys, that was just a really quick video on what kind of card I use for my Bitcoin spending, as well as Amazon does have a discount if you buy stuff with Bitcoin, which is really cool. But yeah, just a quick little video on what I use. Hope you guys have a good day, and like always, keep piling.